My son is so handsome. He'll be like me in the future. Well, I guess we'd better get home. Andrew, let's go inside the house. HM, maybe he's asleep. He's sleeping. And it's gonna be raining later.
Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why he's making
I need to put you in bed, son.
Let's go get high. The road is long, carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime.
Well, you're getting it, son.
When you kiss too hard in the pouring rain, you like it 'cause it's insane. We were born to die.
Maybe this well, I saw the ambulance. I think he's dying.
We were born to die.
Dad, please.
And I give up
Dad, you promise you won't leave me. And you're gonna die. I'll do the promise you said since I was a baby.
You're so sweet, son. Don't worry, I still love you even when I'm dead. And you're gonna be a good doctor. But I need to rest for a while.
Dad, please don't leave me. I love you very much. I won't forget you.
And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
And I can fly. Woohoo.
Digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how
I hate my life. They fired me, Dad, and I'm very sorry for breaking my promise. I'll end my life for now. But I'll tell my story, Dad. They fired, broke up with me, and the bullies of mine sprained my foot. And I made a decision to be with you. I'm going to jump here. Dad, this is for myself to join you.
Don't end your own life.
Dad, I missed you very much.
You're too great thing I was nearby time.
Dad, guide me, please. I don't want to get hurt.
I will always guide you. You're gonna have a good life.